Hello everyone, so you are right, we are going to unbox microphone which is Stodium Professional Condenser Microphone BM800. It's a new series released, so let's see what this box have inside. First of all, welcome to Daily Tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe in this video. Please watch this video at the end so that you can check how we can use this BM800 on the devices. So let's continue. So this is studio microphone. We can say it's a condenser microphone because if you give lot of more volts to it, it will give you better results. So let's see what this inbox have inside. So you can see there are four things. The first one is the cable. You have to connect this cable with the microphone. It's an XLR cable. So this is a mic holder. It is really cool and you can feel its value from it. This is a really cool thing that I found because it can hold the microphone on your table too. So the third thing is it's we can say a foam, but we can use it as a cover on the microphone. It will help us to do the noise reduction. So the last and the most important thing, that's why we are here, is the microphone. So now you can see this is the microphone which is BM800. You can uh, check its look and feel. It's really cool and it has a very stiffy material, I think so. We can say it. Let it focus. So you can see this is having a really cool pattern. This microphone is in blue color and blue and silver, and it looks really cool. So as for the 30 bucks, it's a really cool thing that I found on the internet. It has this XLR cable port at the end, and this is really looks very authentic as per $30. So you can purchase it from AliExpress and Amazon. So no, I think that it's all. Let's listen how this will be sound and how we can implement this phone with our MacBook or laptop, or we can say the PC.
So first of all, this is the mic with the mic holder. So all you have is to just punch it out, and you can see the space between it, and after this you have to put your mic inside. So be careful, yeah, that you don't damage your microphone. So you can see the mic fits in. Let me put it aside, and after this you have to get the XLR cable, and you have to just switch this button and then check the pattern, and after this you have to plug in this XLR mic cable. After this you can just put your mic on the table by using this mic holder, because it will help your mic to uh, stand on the table without the stands. So after this you have to put your microphone's noise cancellation foam on it, so it will help your microphone to only to survive from the noise reduction. So let me just adjust this mic a bit so we can stand it clearly in the on the table. So now I will tell you that how you can plug this in, because this is not that simple stuff, because when you simply plug in this mic in your laptop, PC or MacBook, you will not find the sound, because you will see this will not working, because this microphone needs some power. So you can use the external uh, power adapter for this, but I will tell you that how you can easily use this mic without that costly power adapter. So all you have is to get this as sound card adapter. You can purchase $1 approximately. You can say 100 PKR. All you have is to just plug in the XLR cable input at the right spot, and after this you have to plug in the USB cable, and you can see the mic will be working. So now I am telling you about the stuff, sound recording stuff. So let's listen how these sounds will be. Hello everyone, welcome to daily tutorials. Right now you are listening me from the MacBook Pro internal microphone. Hello everyone, welcome to daily tutorials. Right now you are listening me from BM800 microphone.
Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tutorials. Now you are listening me right from the Canon 700D internal microphone.
So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So if you don't like this video, please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments so that I can make the more videos like this for you. Thank you for watching again. Take care. Bye bye.